Everyone, I'm back. I'm going to do another tutorial, and this time it's going to be a heart. So we're going to make, let me find some that I've made. We're going to make these. Sorry for the crinkling, guys. I do apologise, but I've packaged these up. So we're going to make these. Again, you can make these in various different sizes. Yeah, this is what they look like. They're just cute little hearts. You can use them as embellishments. I guess you could do them for, like, you know, I mean, they're perfect for Valentine's and stuff, but you can use these all year round on different projects and stuff. So first of all, you're going to need this crochet hook, and you're going to need some wool. Depending on the size of the wool and the crochet hook depends on the size of your project. I'm trying to think if I'm going to use this one or I'm going to do a smaller one. I may use a smaller hook because I've been making some of these and I'm going to use this hook. Yeah, so I'm using the slightly smaller. That was a 3.0 hook, and this is a slightly smaller size hook. So first of all is you're going to make a loop in your yarn. This is how I do mine. I just loop it around my fingers, loop it over and loop it over, put it on the hook. But there's many ways you can make a slip knot on your hook. You're then going to chain 4. So you're going to grab the yarn and you're going to chain 4. So through the hook, 1, 2, 3, 4. You're then going to triple crochet, and you're going to do this 3 times, and you're going to do this into the first chain. So the first chain that you made there, you're going to grab the yarn 2 times around the hook, and you're going to put it through that first chain, grab the yarn, pull it through, so you've got 4 chains on your hook now. You're then going to grab the yarn and go through 2 of those, and you're going to do the same again. You're going to grab the yarn and go through the next 2. Make sure you go through all the pieces of the yarn, and then you're going to do it again for the last time. Grab the yarn and go through the last 2 chains, and you're going to do this 3 times. So that's 1, oh, that did not go all the way through. With this kind of thick wool and such a small crochet hook, it's hard to get it sometimes. That's that one. And then one more time. But I don't want this too big, so that's why I'm using a smaller crochet hook. So that's the last one. You're then going to do 3 double crochets, again into that same center. So for a double crochet, you grab the yarn once, put it through the hook, grab the yarn again, put it through 2, put it through 2. Yeah, so again, grab the yarn through the hole, grab the yarn, put it through 2, put it through 2, and one more. Oh, okay, so now you've, like I said, it becomes quite tight, but yeah, so you've got the chain 4 there, the 3 triple crochets and the 3 double crochets on now. You're then going to chain 1, so you just pull it through like that, like so. You're then going to do 1 triple crochet, so wrap round twice through the center, grab the yarn, pull it through, and you're going to go through first 2, second two, and then the last two. Okay, so that makes that the bottom point of your heart. And then you're going to chain one again, and then you're going to do the other side. So we're going to work in reverse now. So first of all, we're going to do 3 double crochets. So once round, pull it through, first 2, second 2. You're going to do this 3 times. That's 2, and then the last double crochet. That's 1, 2. You can just work around a bit, just so you've got a bit more space. Like I said, I'm using quite thick wool. Last of all, you're going to do the 3 triple crochets. So you're going to wrap round twice, through, grab, through 2, through the next 2, through the last 2. Then wrap round twice, through 2, through oh, hold on, start that one again. Wrap round twice, through the first 2, through the second 2, last 2. Again, wrap round twice, through 2, next 2, and then through last 2. Just got to move your work around a bit, and then we're going to do the last one. Wrap round twice, pull it through the first 2, second 2, and then the last 2. And then to sign off, all you're going to do is you're going to do a slip stitch in that center. So you're going to put the hook through, grab the yarn, and then pull it through. And then I like to do it just one more time, just to sign it off. And then you're going to cut that yarn off, pull that through, and then just tighten your work. I like to pull that one as well as this one. And what I tend to do is I tend to just tie these two together. Just to secure it. You know that it's not going to come out open at all then. Just do a couple of knots in the back. Like that. And then what I tend to do is I will thread that through. So I might as well do it this side. So I just go through it, and then I will pull both those pieces of yarn through. That's that one. And then that one. And I might do a couple more. You just pull both the yarns through. Like so. Like that, and then I'll cut those off. And then I like to sort of manipulate it into the shape I'm happy with. Yeah, that's it, guys. That's the heart. It's quite simple and easy to make. I will try and leave the tutorial written in the description if I can. Yeah, I hope you enjoyed that tutorial. If you have any questions, just leave them in the comments below and I'll try and answer them as soon as I can. Have a great week, guys, and I'll catch you in my next one. Bye.